Nakam bitchi.
Nakam bitchi.
Natok. The rice cake. Rice. Pay me.
Pay you what? I can buy.
Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. I hope you guys are doing good. So right now we are here in the state of Meghalaya. Yes, it is also known as the abode of clouds. And right now we are here for a mission trip. So it is going to be a very random vlog. I'll just put some clips in there. I'll just add whatever we experience. So I hope you enjoy it. Selfie from my phone.
Before receiving the answer to your prayers, you have to believe that you have received it already.
Hi guys, so I'm back from the weekly market and I bought this Dakmanda. This is how it looks. Our room is a mess right now. So this is actually worn by the Garo women here and it's very beautiful, you can see. There were other expensive ones as well, but I chose something that was in my budget and I'm liking it. You can see in the picture there, and this is how it will look. I'll someday make a video or post pictures wearing this. Oh, sorry, that's not what I wear. This is how we wear. I don't know how you wear it. Nakam bitchi.
Nakam bitchi.
Natok. What was this, uncle?
यो त्यो के भन्छ
Tawa.
त्यो याम के चिलाउँछ नि
मैले बुझे
के भन्छ हामीले कस्तो बिज नआएको मलाई जोबीले के भन्छ रे तरुल के भन्छ
पिण्डालु
र पोक कस्तो मिठो हुँदो रहेछ फर्स्ट टाइम थाहा भयो मलाई
कस्तो लाग्दैछ
सुरुम गरेको छु मैले अब खान्छु
अम्बो
दामी वाउ यो पास्टर मिक्सनको दिदी भेनाको घर हो उहाँ चाहिँ उहाँको भेना हो
It's so good. It's so sweet. Her outfit check. Tourist, 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 tourist. Wait for me. Tourist, tourist. I am getting bapped.
काटकुट गर्दै एक
My friend bought something. What is that? What did you buy?
It's like a rice cake. Rice cake? Yeah.
What do you call it?
I don't know. Wait, let me ask.
It's cake. Pita. This is called pita.
Yeah.
This is banana cake in plastic. And these are banana chips. And these are pita. Donuts there. Dry fish, dry pork, dry pork. So I got this smoked beef and pork.
Pork, what, and
I wanted to show my mom. Where are we going?
we are going to Jakep pond.
Darjeeling?
Jakep. You saying Darjeeling?
Ringong, do you carry your door?
No.
Yes, you do. Do E. E. That's your door. So guys, we're just back from Tura market, and this is my friend Rema, as you know. Anything to say about our
We
trip?
had so much fun. It was unexpected, but it was really good.
So,
Hence, unexpected trips are the best trips.
yes, this was totally like unplanned from my side, right? Spontaneous. So I really liked. I have had a very good experience here, and one of the things that I loved about Garo Hills is that the people here, they're very honest, they're very humble, generous, they're very innocent, they're naive people, and they love friendships, they value friendships. I really love and how they are hospitable. एकदमै घरमा पाहुनाहरू आउँदा पनि एकदम माया गरेर एकदम इज्जत गरेर हैन जे छ सबै कुरो दिएर चाहिँ दे ट्राई टु बी हस्पिटेबल सो मलाई एकदमै राम्रो लाग्यो अनि the place out there, I mean what I love about this place is the cleanliness. People maintain that cleanliness here. Everything is so clean, the market out there and the roads, and people also keep the house clean. So yeah, त्यो सबै कुरा मन पर्यो मलाई. Also I loved their dishes. I have put the clips and the videos of some of the dishes out there with the names, and if you really want to know what are they, then I can just describe them in the description box. See this little boy is there. and we'll be boarding our bus tonight, maybe at around 7 or 8. So yeah, thank you so much guys for watching my vlog. I love you all. See you again. Bye bye. This is gominda, and this is onion leaves with dry beef. This is oyster mushroom. This one is dal, and this is beef with dry fish.
This is Nakam bitchi kappa.
Nakam bitchi.
Thank you, Grace.
This, I'm loving. This is our food before our journey to Siliguri. Thank you so much. She has a vlog. Please subscribe. I mean, she has a YouTube channel. Subscribe.
This going to YouTube money.
Yeah, that's why I'm telling you guys to subscribe, my dear friend. Thank you for bringing me here. Pay me. Pay you what? I can buy you coffee. No. This salary.
Say no.